Hello, tech adventurers. Today we're flipping open the story of the Motorola Razr 50. It's sleek, it's chic, but is it the tech peak? Let's unfold the truth behind the hype and see if this phone can flip our world upside down. Design dilemma. The Razr 50 struts in with a 3.6-inch cover display and a 6.9-inch main display. It's got the looks, but does it handle the books? We'll see if this style icon can manage the daily grind without a grind of its own. Performance peak. Powered by a rumored MediaTek Dimensity 7300X, the Razr 50 promises to be snappy. But let's not get too zippy. With up to 16 GB RAM and 1 TB storage, it's got space, but will it win the performance race? Camera conundrum. A 50-megapixel primary sensor teams up with a 13-megapixel secondary on the cover. Inside, a 32-megapixel selfie snapper awaits. Great numbers, but do they translate to great memories? We'll snap to that conclusion soon. Battery banter. A 3949 mAh battery might sound underwhelming, but it's the endurance that counts. Will it keep up or give up? That's the question we're charging at. The Motorola Razr 50 is a blend of nostalgia and next-gen. It's got the flair, but does it fare well with your tech care? If you're after the flip without the flop, this might just be your stop. Flip that like button if you enjoyed our honest take, and share this video with your flip phone fan friends. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell, because our tech tales are just getting started.